it would be helpful to discover which triads, without any accidentals, naturally occurring triads, are which qualities. So here we are out in nature, going to hunt for some triads and identify their triad qualities. Here's a convenient triad. C, E, G, naturally occurring. There's no accidentals on it. C, E, G. This triad has a major third and a perfect fifth. So, guess what? It's major. Amazing. Happens to have on the other side of it another triad. Here's another one, also out here in nature. No accidentals on this triad, D, F, A. This is constructed of a minor third above the D and a perfect fifth. So it is minor. Okay, we found two of these little babies out here in nature. I'll go get some more. All right, let's take this one. E, G, B. E, G, B, I put it in alto clef there. No accidentals, naturally occurring. What is it above the root? Root to third is a minor third. Root to fifth is a perfect fifth. It's minor. Okay, so we've had a major one starting on C, a minor one starting on D, a minor one on E. Ah, there's another. Amazing. F, A, C, F-A-C, major third, perfect fifth. So this is a, hello ant, this is a major triad plus ant. Okay. All right, we've got a few more to go. Let's see here. Looks like I can hunt down a couple more. That one's growing up high. All right, so we've got G, B, D, which is a major third above the root and a perfect fifth above the root. From root to fifth, perfect fifth. G, B, D, naturally occurring, major. Okay, we've had the C is major, we've had F as major, and we've had G as major so far, and D and E were minor. Well, what's on the other side of this? Okay. A, C, E, A, C, E, root to third, A to C, minor third, root to fifth, perfect fifth. So this is a minor triad. Wow, it's kind of monotonous. You notice we haven't had any of the other augmented or diminished flavors yet, naturally occurring. These are the ones without artificial sweeteners. These are the organic ones, I guess. Let's see if I can find any more out here in nature. Why, yes, I spot one more. Here it is. The last one. B, D, F, the B triad. Okay, no accidentals. Root to third, minor third. Root to fifth, B to D. Remember that one was our special one. B to D is a diminished fifth. So this is a minor third and a diminished fifth. This triad is different than all the others. It's diminished. We'd better summarize these triads, and I will do so on the back of this one. So, here are all the naturally occurring triads listed out. There's only 7 of them. Why? Because there are 7 different note names. So if you look on the staff and you construct a triad without any accidentals, or you look at the piano keyboard and construct a triad without using any of the black keys, these are the qualities you will get. C, E, G, major. D, F, A, minor. E, G, B, minor. F, A, C, major. G, B, D, major. A, C, E, minor. And B, D, F, diminished. Oh, doesn't quite fit on my little square. The good news about this is that if we know what the naturally occurring qualities are, it makes it much quicker when we start adding accidentals in. If I know C, E, G is major, then if I have C, E flat, G, it might be quicker to realize that it is minor. If I had D, F, A, and I know that naturally occurring it is minor, and I raise the F to F sharp, then it would be easy to say, oh yeah, that's D major. So one of the most useful things you can do is to not only know the triad letters, but also know the naturally occurring qualities. And I'll just point out one other thing here. In these naturally occurring triad qualities, there are no augmented triads. They are not naturally occurring. It's only under special circumstances that we would find an augmented triad, and it's going to be quite a while before we allow you to use an augmented triad in theory class. So these are the naturally occurring triad qualities and that pattern of triad letters that you've already named. Put those two together up here.